were sleeping, that's what I told him twice. That
I was watching drag racing.
in your mind, in your dreams.
He was
watching drag
I'm
racing.
going to get this vacuum.
he was watching drag racing in his mind from yesterday.
He's dreaming about it.
Although it is on the TV.
See? See? Where you go?
But
Where go?
you were asleep.
You can help me, man.
Okay, where are we going?
We're taking this over.
See what?
That's tight there.
It keeps loosening up.
It's okay.
It's broken, but honey, it's not.
I got it.
My fault. Let's try this one.
You know what we should do?
What?
We should blow it up with tannerite.
Yeah. Alright, that's cool. You're right. Are you ready? Pull. Okay. How's that?
That time it stayed.
Okay.
Yeah, I had to move it out a little bit so I can unplug it.
Okay.
It's been unplugged.
Alright, we like it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Want to leave it back to me?
Okay.
I see a cobweb falling.
Guide me. Let me crash nothing. Yeah, that's great right there. Enough.
Michael, I didn't know where you were going with it, okay?
Jesus.
And since you're turn, stop, turn. Straight ahead. Lift. Hold it.
Yep.
Back up and come over to your left side. Okay, now straighten it up.
Good.
Straighten, yep. Come
Okay.
down, come forward
Okay.
about 10 inches.
Stairs.
Wait, just a minute. In just a minute.
Okay, you got one more board and then you'll be at the stairs.
You've got about 6 inches before the stairs.
Go forward now.
Yeah, go forward.
Okay.
Okay,
Get ready to drop.
you're getting ready to drop.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, it's on the board.
Okay. With the truck.
Yeah. You might want to come a little forward.
Okay.
We're all making the truck move.
That's okay.
Okay, you can let it down.
All right. To with it now.
If we lay it down, I mean, I might not be able to take it until like Friday to OmniSource.
No, we gotta set it somewhere, you know. I just don't, was it right, you said, I just pull it out of the back of the truck and we just wanna set it over somewhere in the driveway, you know. I don't know what to do with it, babe. I'm with you. Well, seriously, I mean, you know, just get it out of the back of the truck.
Get the tractor and then lower it down.
Good.
A lot easier than,
We could just push it out.
I think it'd be a lot easier. Well, if we,
I mean, because we're gonna take it to
I
the.
know, it's not any good, so yes, we could just push it out. But the potential of messing up my truck bed, my tailgate,
Yep, but we don't want to hurt. We don't hurt anything. Yeah,
it'd be
so-
just easier to put it in the bed or the
Yep.
truck or the tractor.
Tractor.
Wyatt, does this go in the garage or?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here for you to put put it back in the garage.
Okay.
Ouch.
You sure?
Well, because it'll cook a lot better on that thing without that.
Yeah, no, that's pretty good.
Michael, the fridge isn't gonna be on there at all, just the dolly.
Yeah, the dolly's gonna be the only thing that's still on the
I think you
bucket.
should take the dolly off.
You really feel like that?
Yeah, because by the time you get the dolly on there, there's not gonna be any room for the fridge at all on that.
He's
Okay.
taking it off.
Oh. Never mind. It's kind of not here.
Why am I
Something for you. Oh! Something for you. Come down, some. Come down. No! I don't have any room. I don't have any room. Bring it to me. Come to me. Come to me. Okay. Down. Stop. To you. Bring it back to you. Down. Going. Stop. To you. Bring back. Down. Down. Back to you. Bring back to you. Okay, drive away from me. That's fine. No, bring back. No, where do you want to go with it now? Okay. Okay. You're good. Go way back. Go way back. Yeah, go way back.
I have no idea where she's going.
Nah, that table's heavy, baby. Right there is fine. Right there is fine. I know what you did. Back the hill out. Back out.
Yeah. It's still cold inside. It's still cold inside. Yeah.